Hey guys, now this is my kind of weather. Let the John see the frost.
Hi guys, how's it going? Hey, welcome back. Woo! Another Saturday, another shave, and boy am I glad. Am I glad that the weekend is here, and as you've seen by the thumbnail, we've got a good one lined up for you today. We'll go through the stuff first of all, the brush. Look at this fine American blend. I bought this in Pasteur's. Don't know if I've ever mentioned it in the video in the past, but I've actually been to Pasteur's pharmacy several times. But anyway, I bought that, didn't realise, just bought it in the box, just bought it because it was a fine brush and it was Pasteur's and it was my first visit and all my senses went into overload, and I just picked it up, and it was only when I got it back to the hotel I realised it was a badger. It's 20mm badger knot. Don't use it a lot. We're going to stick it in there in the official John Shaves 101 Super Soaker. That's that. The razor we're going to use, Sexy Rexy. Look at this. Absolutely love it. Do you know, it's become trendy, hasn't it, to diss the Rex ambassador? You don't get any of that here. This is an absolutely beautiful, and I'm only speaking for me. So, you know, if you don't like it, you don't like it, do you? I'm just saying, I believe you 100%. Just saying for me, I absolutely adore this razor. Absolute beautiful, well made, heirloom quality. Absolutely sensational. And this is an adjustable. The ambassador is adjustable. So what we're going to do, I've just noticed it. A stain on there, look at that. Right, yeah, so what we're going to do is we're going to put a Leon blade on that. Don't remember using these blades, guys. I'm all at 6s and 7s because I'm filming this Friday afternoon because I've got family coming this evening and we're going to sort next year's summer holiday out. I know, but there you go. Leon blade. Don't know anything about these blades. Let's see if it says anything. No, there's nothing on them. Okay, yeah, there you go. Can you see it at the bottom there? Made by Czech blades. Well, there you go. And we'll get that in there. And what we will do, we'll put this in Sexy Rexy. We'll nip that up there. It's all good. Can you see it? What we'll do, it's on 1. You see it on 1. What we'll do is we'll take it all the way. Can you see it going up? We will take it all the way around. Oh, John, come on, right. We'll try again. I must have missed the dot. That's how hard it is to see. Where are you? There you go. All the way around to 4. Can you see it? That is my only gripe with this razor, is that dot. What we'll do is we'll do the first pass on 4, the second pass on 5, and the next pass on 6. We'll get that in there. Come on, Saturday slurp, Sterling coffee, Machu Picchu. I think this is what we're washing it down with today. Here we go. Jelly babies. Woo! I can't eat any more chocolate this week, guys. I can't. I'm not allowed. So that's a Saturday slurp. I know it's Friday, but with family coming later on, I'm going to be having some jam shed. Let me know what your slurp of the day is. Let me know what your shave of the day is. Okay, let's crack on. Here it is. What we're going to be using today. Okay, right, John. Barrister and Mann. Saville. The splash was a gift from Christopher Thompson, and the soap was a gift from John Chalmers. Oh, Lord, look, this is beautiful. I had this when it very first came out, used it once, traded it for something. It didn't, from memory, it didn't smell like that, guys. Here it goes. On Slick Boys, there you go. On Slick Boys, it's £21. Well, £20.95. £21. I'll be very brief here. It says Barrister and Mann Saville shaving soap features a blend of lemon, bergamot, rosemary, lavender, patchouli, oak moss. The name comes from the famous opera The Barber of Saville. I get the lemon, I get the bergamot, I get it all to me. Yeah, I get the rosemary, I get the lavender and the bergamot shine through. Powder it, it's a lovely, lovely cologne scent, that, guys. Absolutely wonderful. That's that there. And we're going to be balming up with some rapport. So without further ado, come on, we're going to wet the face. Oh, wet the face. Let that soak in. And let's see what we can do here with this. There you go. The scent strength on this, guys, I would put bag 7. It's very, 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 very strongly scented. And it smells absolutely fantastic. Okay, so here we go, look. Load onto the brush. Lather onto the face. Well. Yeah, I would say it's dropped a little in the lather, but you can still smell it. We'll dip the tips. The whole bathroom smells absolutely fantastic, guys. So please let me know what your shaves of the day are. We're going to dip that again. The whole knot right in. Look at the. I'm enjoying these badgers. I could keep going, but that'll do. Come on. No. Like I said, guys, I had this before and it was very nice, but it didn't smell this good. This is the new omnibus base. That may be the reason why it smells so good. So let's have a go. Oh, those blades are garbage. Let me just, is that sitting right? Let me just double check this, guys. Let me just check that I've just taken it out. Put it in there. Right. Sorry, got a phone call right then from Samantha. That threw me. Anyway, we'll put it back in. Come on. If this doesn't work, no. I'm going to have to change this blade out, guys. Give me a minute. And we're back. Here we go. First blade my hand fell to. Gillette 7 o'clock shop. Just ran in the bedroom. Grabbed it. Come on. Now I can't get the paper off it. Oh my word. I think I should have just left this video until tomorrow morning. There you go. Do that. We'll get that in there. And we'll carry on. So we see where we go. Yeah, there you go. I will not be using those blades again. I mean, they were really bad. They were like Chinese blades level bad. Let me know if you've used them. Yeah, Samantha just phoned me. Some guy on the motorway giving her grief. He slowed down. He slowed down on the motorway and took exception to Samantha overtaking him. So he phoned me up. She said, "Dad, he's following me." I drive to your nearest grocery store, park at the door, go in and get a security guard. Anyway, so let's get this shave done. Oh, and I'll phone her back. She'll be fine now. I mean, Samantha's more than capable of handling anybody. But yeah. Oh, no, come on. Nearly. On 4. We'll get it. Can you see? You see it? We'll put it up to 5 now. If you're just watching for the first time, the way I use adjustables, I don't know anybody else that does it. The way I use adjustables, I start low and go higher. Because that's when I'm cutting grass. If the grass is long, I take the top off, then I drop it down a bit, then cut it in half, then right to the bottom and go in for the smooth finish. And I employ the same principle with my razors. Surely, if you went all the way, for me personally, you went all the way to number 6 and did your first one on number 6, that would be like going to your grass, your lawnmower on its highest possible setting, you know, to get the grass as short as possible. When the grass is 12 inches high, and get it down here and just go straight, it's not going to be good, is it? So how are you all doing as well? It's been a stressful week in work. It's all good now, but believe me when I tell you, I'm glad it's over. Yeah. There you go. Do not like this brush. I like the handle, but it's 22mm. It's not. It's 20mm, isn't it? We had it out before, and it's just a little bit too small. So here we go. Let's get that all the way up, and we'll put it on number 6. Look at that gap. Look, you can see me waving through the gap, can't you? Here we go. Absolutely adore this razor. I understand it's a costly item. I'm quite fortunate. It was a gift. This was a gift to me from my wife. I think it was my 35th wedding anniversary. I think it was Samantha or my wife. There's that dad brain again. I think my wife bought me the Timeless, and Samantha bought me this. And I absolutely love it. And Scousey gifted me the Envoy and the stand as well. There you go. Look at that. Right now what we're going to do is, you noticed a little quirk on this. You noticed, I'll get it there so you can see it. You watch that and that, it goes up a little bit more. See it? To 1C, it's just gone up another half. And what we'll do is leather mittens. So that's the Ambassador there now, on as high a setting as it's possible to get, all the way around to 6, and then some. Oh, look, it's bit me. And we'll do pickups. There isn't a lot to talk about, guys. It's bed and work as usual, you know. Oh, I came in. I have a feeling I'm going to be tired tomorrow. Didn't want to get up and rush the shave tomorrow because I've got some stuff to do. I've got some household chores and some repairs to do. Oh man. And I wanted to get this shave up. I don't like uploading late on a Saturday. I really don't. So anyway, come on. Look at that. We did okay, didn't we, guys? We did okay. Sterling Coffee. Come on. Rod and Mandy, show me some loving. Rod and Mandy, love him, yeah. Oh. Show me some loving, guys. Start selling. Let's get a campaign. Sell sterling in the UK and get Joe from Queens to do a shave for Christmas. There you go. Saville, Barrister and Mann. Should we give it a shake? Shake well before use. Hey, that one never gets old, does it? Jelly babies. My granddaughter said to me, she was about 5, she went, "Grandad, you look like a jelly baby." I just walked out the shop and left her lying there. Now in that, the lavender comes shining through. Yeah, the lavender and the bergamot come shining through. And we'll put some balm on. And that's us, guys. That's our Barrister and Mann. Saville. Gifted. Oh, and that's, wow. Wowee. That's a good combo, guys. Wow. That's really brings a powderiness out there. Absolutely wonderful. Look at this, come on. We'll do the Lancashire lean. Look at that, guys. There isn't a spot. There isn't an ounce of hair. There is absolutely nothing. Family's coming over and we're going to have some food. And we're going to have a glass of wine and we're going to look at some holidays for next year. And we're going to spend some time together and we're going to show some love. But remember, you've got your immediate family, you've got your extended family, and then you've got your human family. So let's show love to them all and be the change that we want to see in the world. Look after yourselves, guys, and each other. And I will see you on Wednesday. See that little fruit fly then, eh? Bruce Lee, you've been jealous of those reflexes. I'm using a cream I've never used, a soap, a shaving soap I've never used on this channel. I mean, there's loads of them, but everybody's used this one except for me. See you Wednesday. Bye.